Okay, so we can see there, that is the final video. I won't preview that yet. But what this program does, which is really cool, it gives you the ability to upload the actual audio and the picture file. So just take a note that the audio file needs to be in a WAV format. So I needed to create an audio file. So I am using ElevenLabs, which is probably the best and most superior voice model on the market. Now with ElevenLabs, let's go back to here for a minute while ElevenLabs is loading. With ElevenLabs, you can choose the type of voice depending on what plan you're on, but you can get a $5 a month US plan, and that'll give you access to be able to produce the voices that you want to use in your videos. Once you've produced the voice, you can change the character, you can change, I've even cloned my own voice, and I use my own voice to be able to create the text files. When you do create the text files, because they're created as an MP3, I use this free convert.com program to convert those files to WAV files, which is what I need, remember, to actually load them into the program here. Now, I'm not so sure why ElevenLabs, here we go. Right, so if we have a look over here, this is the program that I'm using, and I've created some voice here, and a couple of attempts. You basically just put in your script, and so this is
Just seconds. That's all it takes for a customer to bowl. Unless your AI assistant answers first, that's why I own the conversation.
Okay, so I wasn't happy with that effort. So after a couple of attempts, I got to the final one I decided on, which is this one. As it thinks for a minute. Okay, we'll come back to that in a sec. So once you've created your voice, you can download your voice, and it will download as an MP3 file. And that MP3 file I then took across to this program, the free convert program, uploaded my file, and then downloaded it as a .wav file, which I could use for this experiment. So go back here and see if we've got our sound back. There we go. And this is the one, the voice of my clone that I used.
Let's hear what Mel has to say about AI assistants from Own the Conversation that she has on her business website. After all, she's a clever girl.
Okay, I could have just recorded that.
Just seconds. That's all it takes for a customer to bowl. Unless your AI assistant answers first, and that's why I own the conversation.
Okay, now in ElevenLabs, you have the choice of lots and lots of different voices you can use for your project, even at the $5 US a month plan. So it is a really good way just to be able to create some authentic voices. Now, the great thing is with this program, you can upload your WAV file and then upload your image.